We have a short video for a cocoon, or maybe egg shaped, whatever you'd like to call it, plastic flip alarm clock, probably well known with flip clock collectors. It's not a very common model. It's mainly because the build quality is not very durable, so I'd say not many of them survived the times. It is a very nice clock though. It's working rather well. Yeah, okay, that's also working rather nicely. It's running on 220 volts. I left the cable on the plug original. It would be a bit tricky to replace them without damaging the clock, and they're in a very nice condition. There is some heat damage to the clock, unfortunately, which shows in the price, of course, and yeah, so this is working rather nicely. There you go. Let's see the motor running. Show you the label. These small plastic feet that go through here, they were broken off. I were glued back professionally. They will hold absolutely. There you go. Very nice clock in a very good working condition.